In my heart is a Christmas tree farm where the people would come.
Hey y'all, to make this I had in my stash this frame from the Target dollar spot. I think I got it last year. It was $3, but it's perfect for this project. So I took Waverly chalk paint in Fern for the first coat, and it was so light. So I decided on the second coat I was going to take the Fern and add some burnt umber and make it a color that I really loved, and this is the outcome. So I did 2 coats, really good all around. Then I took my chippy brush and I distressed it with white Waverly chalk paint. I got a star that I got at Dollar Tree and I painted that red. And then I got my Scrabble tiles. Scrabble tiles, y'all. I got them from Amazon, and I think there was 4 packages in the package, if that makes sense. I spelt out my words. It's "Oh Christmas Tree," and put all the lines together and then attached them all together. And I used glitter glue. I guess you could use Aleene's or any kind of glue, I guess, wood glue. And that I'm attaching it all here, making sure it's all straight. Look at my perfection, y'all. Then I decide I need a base for my Christmas tree, like a, like a skirt. I'm doing air quotes like y'all can see me. So I took a piece of wood, cut it down, and made that. It just real simple. Then glued the Christmas tree on, glued the star, and I took a piece of a branch that I got from Hobby Lobby in a package, and I didn't pay full price for it. Hot glued that on and then glued the base on and put Spanish moss in it. I did have to put a popsicle stick underneath it to keep the Spanish moss from coming out. But here's the result, y'all, and I love this. I hope y'all do too. Bye.